What's up, Saints and Sinners? How you doing? Coming to you from the Parker House right here in Little Canada, Minnesota. We've got a fun little cook we're going to do tonight. Show you a little bit about a full picana. Now, I know most of you might not even know it. It's also known as a culotte. It's this piece of meat that I've got here. It kind of looks in a triangle shape, very similar to a tri-tip. We're gonna just put it on our Gateway drum smoker and smoke it. Probably gonna go right about an hour. It's gonna be awesome. What you know about this, picana, a lot of you know from the Brazilian steakhouses, what they'll do is they'll cut it and then they'll wrap it in kind of a C form and put it on a skewer and then roast it that way. And the reason they do that is because it's got this nice fat cap right here, and that kind of protects some of the meat. We're not going to cut this off. In fact, we're going to score it here, and we're going to leave it, and we're going to put it upside down so that the fat cap's on the bottom, and it protects the meat. And as it renders down, it's gonna bring out some amazing flavors. And I guarantee you, this is going to be something you may want to try. Some people call this a culotte instead of a picana, and so when I had my guys at Bachman's farm store down in Chillicothe, Missouri, they told me about this and they said, hey, we want to send you a culotte. We want you to, try this thing out. And I said, what is a culotte? And then they had to explain it to me, so we don't know it necessarily as a culotte, but we know it as picana. So what I'm doing is I'm just scoring the fat cap a little bit, doing little diamond cuts. And the reason I'm doing this is so it helps it render down. Otherwise, that big old piece of fat will just kind of hang there, and we want it to render down. We want it to get a little bit crispy. Now, the seasoning we're going to use today, super simple. It's our signature seasoning, S&S signature seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and cover this baby, do it liberally. This is how I would do a brisket. This is how I would do a steak. It's great on beef. It's a salt, pepper, garlic, onion blend. If you don't have ours, you can use someone else's. That's okay. May not taste as good, but that's all right. So we got covered on the fat cap side, and we're coming back over the meat. We want it to have a lot of flavor, so we're going to give it a good dose. And we're good to go. All right, so like I said, we're going to put this on the Gateway drum smoker. We're going to do it right about 300 degrees, and so as soon as it's up to temp, we'll take you out there and we'll get cooking and show you what we're going to do. Thanks. See you there. Okay, guys, we're out here at the Gateway drum. We've got it rolling at 300 degrees, and just put the picana on. You can see it's right here in the middle of the grate. Actually, what I'm going to do in just a few minutes is I'm going to line the outside with some chicken wings for us all to share. This is going to be an amazing dinner. So I put my thermodot into the biggest part of the meat here. So we're going to set it. I'm going to set it about 120 degrees because I'm going to let it cook for a while, and then I want to make it rest. Okay. So we're going to leave it on here. Watch it roll. My guess is it's going to take about 50 minutes to get this done. See you back here. Take care. All right, guys, we are here. It's a lot faster than I thought it was going to be. It only took us about 40 minutes to get to 125. We're rolling on the Gateway. It did get up over 300 a bit, but that's okay. Once the smoke clears, you can see that picana sitting in there with our wings on the side. Now, just because Thermodot says it's that temperature, I want to make sure that it is. So I'm going to use my thermal pen made from the same company. We're just going to go in and double check. Yeah, we're well over where I wanted to be. That's okay. I'll take this off. I'm talking about a 30-minute cook, really. Pull the probe out. Grab this baby. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take it inside, wrap it in some tin foil, and we're going to let it rest. Then when we're done with it, come back, we'll check it out, we'll slice it up. It's going to be great. We're going to put some chimichurri sauce on it, just like tri-tip. Amazing. What's up, guys? We're back here. We've got the Picana, otherwise known as a culotte, that was fully smoked. Here only took just over 30 minutes on the Gateway drum. We had it rolling at 300, just a little bit above that. We've had it sitting and resting for 15 minutes, ready to slice into it and see what happens. It's going to be gorgeous. So what you want to do is kind of find the grains and then go against the grains as you cut it. And I'm using my chef's knife from my buddy Ryan Fowler over at Spaceman Knives. I love this thing. I love all of his knives. Not only are they cool looking, but they just feel great in the hand, and they're super sharp, and it's just a great way to go. I'll tell you, people around here, or at least canines around here, know when it's dinner time. I got dogs waiting. Said, Dad, I could smell that beef. I just want to taste. So what I said was we cooked up a little chimichurri sauce, cilantro, oregano, parsley, red wine vinegar, olive oil, shallots, and some garlic. It was ready to go. And look at that. Beautiful. Got about a medium rare cut right there. It's gonna be delicious. I know Chewbacca wants one of these pieces, but he ain't getting it. This is for the humans. Guys, check out a Picana. Try smoking it on your smoker, whatever you got. It's gonna be amazing. That's a legendary right there. Hold on, I'm having a moment. Big shout out to Bachman's Farm Store. They raise their own beef. This is red Angus beef. Thanks, guys, for hooking us up. We're going to be sending this out to you, so hopefully other people will hit you up as well. They're selling all of our products. Give them a shout out. Thanks for everybody for checking in, for following the YouTube, for following Instagram and Facebook. Go ahead and buy from us. We got a Father's Day special going on right now. You can hit it up right before Father's Day. Take care.